Smaller 2 ml and 3 ml vials have the typical 13 millimeter crimp finish, which is a 7 millimeter hole opening by 13 millimeter outer rim diameter. When you change packaging from a 2 ml and 3 ml vial, typically, to a 5 ml and 10 ml vial, you need to change from a 13 millimeter seal and stopper to a 20 millimeter seal and stopper. At QCVIALZ, we offer a cost-saving measure as we offer 5 ml and 10 ml vials with the same small 13 millimeter crimp finish. This saves you from having to buy a completely second set of 20 millimeter seals and stoppers that are found on the typical 5 and 10 ml vial. Now, why is this beneficial? When you're withdrawing an aqueous solution from a 13 millimeter crimp finish vial like this, it's easy to use an insulin syringe. The reason why is because the 13 millimeter stopper has a top flat septa that's extremely thin as compared to a 20 millimeter stopper. Using an insulin syringe on a typical 10 ml vial that has a 20 millimeter crimp finish and stopper, the needle gets unnecessarily dulled and or bent and damaged when pushing through a stopper of this thickness. Having a 10 ml vial that has a 13 millimeter crimp finish, also colloquially referred to on our QCVIALZ website as an insulin vial, an insulin syringe can easily be used because of the extremely thin nature of a 13 millimeter crimp finish stopper. So on our website, we have a section devoted just to 13 millimeter crimp finish vials.